Bonjour, salut, buenos dias, arrivederci. So, I did a wonderful thing last night. I got this because I've been getting up too early in the morning and, all kinds of sleep nonsense. So, I've been tired a lot in the daytime, just, you know, really relying on the coffee. And so I wanted to track my sleep to see what's really going on, to see what kind of quality of sleep I was getting. 'Cause just like anything, you say you're exercising, you gotta track it. Right? The best way to be successful with exercising, you need to track it. You can't just go to the gym. I mean, you can, but the better way is to track it. You want to see where you're at, and then be able to see the growth, and that actually motivates you if you can actually see the growth. I see Resmed just joined. Good to see you, man. Thanks for the like. So you need to be able to track what you're doing. So same thing with my issue right now, not getting enough sleep. So I wanted to track it. So I downloaded this app. It looks like a wonderful app. It uses ultrasonic technology or something that's supposed to monitor your sleep to see if you're in deep sleep or all this kind of nonsense. Anyway, the point of the story is I'm in bed this morning, and I look out. I'm kind of awake a little bit, and I look out the window, and it's kind of too much light coming in. I'm sure you guys have had that feeling before. And I'm like, why is there so much light coming in through the window? So I try to pick up my phone to see what time it is. Phone doesn't come on. Long story short, I neglected to plug in my phone, which was 100% last night, and this stupid app completely killed the battery. So therefore, this sleep tracking app resulted in me perhaps getting more sleep because I didn't get up on time because my phone was completely dead. Anyway, so on to my learning technique. So the stuff that I work on is always heavily proprietary. So it's not something that you can learn in a book or you could know from previous experience. So every trading system or platform that I work on, it's totally new to me. So I'm working on a new system right now, not my personal stuff that I was working on. That's I got to get that going again. This is a platform that was built by one of the largest banks in the world, and I have never seen it before. So I have to learn it, and there's a lot of other things I need to learn. So the technique that I've been using is basically using a word cloud. So generally what happens is you get an overview given to you by someone who's deeply familiar with the system that you're going to be working on, and they sort of give you an overview, the diagrams, the flow. You have the order management system. You got your market data here, and you got this there, and all that. So they let you know the nitty gritty, but you got to retain. It's a lot of information. This is a very complex system. A lot of redundancies, a lot of dependencies. It's a lot to learn, and standards are very high at when you're working with a top investment bank. So they expect a lot from you, and a lot is required to be in that business. So you want to be able to pick it all up, so you really know what you're doing, and you want to do it quickly, right? Because you don't know how long it's going to take you to pick it up, so you don't want to underestimate and then fall behind the curve. So what I've been doing is, after the review of the system, what I do is I get a blank piece of paper, and in my brain I pull out every word and concept that I have that I can remember that I was explained about. And I just go and I try to do it like a real word cloud, where the most critical systems I use bigger letters and smaller letters for less important details, and I try to make relational connections based on proximity. So let's say I was learning about a car, right? And in learning about a car, there's the parts of the car, and then there's also external things like gas station to get gas. So the gas station would be pretty far away from the car because that's an external thing, Whereas a steering wheel, that's in the car, and it's the thing you're holding the most, that'll be right next to the car. So car in big letters, steering wheel right next to it. So that's the kind of system I've been using. And the idea is it's just a memory trick. Like me forcing myself to try and pull these concepts out of my brain, to me is allowing me to build more permanent memories, more solid memories where it'll stick with me. So I'm trying to enhance my retention. Everyone's different. This may work for you, so I'm trying to enhance my retention. Everyone's different. This may work for you, may not work for you. Try it, see if it works for you. Doesn't work for you, try something else. We're all organic. We're not machines. We're not robots. I mean, some of us are robots, but most of us are not robots. So we learn differently. You got to find out what works for you. But that's the basic idea. So try to remember as much as you can. Then after that, I go in and see, oh, this was wrong. This was misspelt. This abbreviation is misspelt. Or I go in and look at my notes and I say, oh, I forgot this thing. I forgot that thing. And then further, I dive deeper into the information. So do the word cloud, evaluate my word cloud, then dive deeper. Each thing on the paper, go on and research it, learn more about it. And also I'm thinking about tracking my word cloud so I can look at progress. Again, track your progress, right? So I can look at, this is where I was a week ago, this is where I am now, and I can see that I'm retaining more and more information. So that's my trick. Again, it's no promises that it will work for you, but give it a shot. And if it works for you, awesome. If it doesn't, sucks to be you. Or in Espanol, lo siento. All right, thanks for watching, and until next episode, this is the Computer Programming University. We'll be trying to get back in a more regular schedule within a couple of weeks. Just bear with me. I got a lot of stuff going on, a lot of stuff that I need to pick up, and I'm going to try to see, I might do like really, really early live streams before I head out in the morning. Maybe as soon as I get home type of thing. I might do some lunchtime live streams. Definitely on the weekend I'll try to hustle and get some stuff done, but I'm pushing hard. I really want to continue working with you guys and helping you grow and helping you achieve your dreams. Just bear with me as I transition into learning these new systems, and also be mindful that due to security reasons, my accessibility during most of the day will be limited, because on the trading floor there's lots of rules, regulations, and certain risks involved. So yeah, it is a environment that is highly controlled, like the CIA. Arrivederci, salut, vigets, hasta luego, ciao, dobre utro. This is a computer. Sorry about that. This is the Computer Programming University, where learning is always fun, as it should be, and the first step is to always smile. Have a good day. Tiene un buen día.